Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. Let's give a moment of silence to everyone who has not subscribed to my channel yet. Yes, my love bug. Yes, this is for you. I'm giving you a moment so you don't miss nothing, okay? Okay? Thank you, and you're welcome. So today I'm going to show you how I get this easy slay, like an everyday slay. It's pretty easy. I guess it's pretty easy. It's fast, but it's simple. I only use 2 eyeshadows on my eyes, and really it was only one shadow because my transition or whatever's in my crease is my contour. So one shadow, easy peasy. But if you want to see how I got this look, just continue to watch. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And also, I'm going to be having a giveaway at 500 subscribers, so make sure you subscribe, tell your friends, all that good shit. All right, let's get started. Bye. So I'm going to start by priming my face with my Marc Jacobs Coconut Primer. This winter has my skin so dried out. It's so sad. But yes, I'm just going to rub that in with my fingers. Then I'm going to go in with my foundation from L'Oreal True Match in C7. And I'm going to use my beauty sponge to work all of this in really nicely all throughout my face. This is definitely one of my favorite drugstore foundations, so if you don't have it, you should definitely try it. For concealer, I'm going to start out with my Urban Decay Naked Skin, and I'm going to highlight / conceal my face with this in all these designated areas. Once I'm done applying that, I'm just going to take my beauty sponge and start blending all of that out nice and evenly. Just make sure you blend everything out really nicely and evenly. Just take your time with the beauty blender and work that all in nice and evenly. Then after that, I realized I wanted some more coverage because that concealer was just a little bit too naked for me. So I went in with my Tarte Shape Tape and just put a little bit more of that underneath my eyes just to brighten it up just a little bit more. And then I just worked that in all throughout my face, just hitting all those little spots, just giving my face a little bit more brightness. Once I'm done with that, we're going to set that with my Airspun, nice and cheap. You can get this at Walmart, you guys. It's probably one of the cheaper setting powders, and it works pretty good. I could use this every day if I wanted to, and it lasts forever. Now with my Laura Mercier translucent powder and medium deep, I'm just going to set the perimeter of my face. This powder gives me just a little bit more coverage, and it's a little darker than the translucent powder. I really like this. But yes, I'm just hitting pretty much all around the outside of my face. Then I'm going to hit my nose just a little bit on each side. Now I'm taking my Black Radiant Contour Powder, and this is in the shade Rich Mahogany, and this is going to be my contour. This contour powder works really well. Black Radiant actually just came out with some new contour shades. They only had like 3, I believe, but they just expanded it. So if you haven't tried Black Radiant, definitely check them out. They've got some goodies, that's no lie. But yes, I'm just setting my nose real quick and giving a little bit of definition to my nose. Then I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera. Now I'm taking that same transition, or for my transition today, I'm using that same contour powder, and I'm just working that in with my blending brush. Now I'm taking my ColourPop Game Face, and I'm working this all over my lid. This is just a metallic-y bronze shade, and I'm just using my finger to work that in. Now for eyeliner, I'm taking my Wet n Wild Mega Liner, and I am just going to wing my liner out for you guys. Now I'm taking my telescopic carbon black mascara from L'Oreal, and I'm just putting a decent coat of that on my eyes, prepping for my falsies that I'm going to put on right after this. And the falsies I'm going to be using are from Eyelure, and these are the 126s that I always use. Now I'm just taking that contour shade again and putting that on my bottom lash line, and then of course a grip of mascara. For blush, I'm using my Black Radiant Toasted Almond blush, which is a staple. I love this for our brown girls out there. It's so perfect. I'm telling you, y'all might be sleeping on Black Radiant because I love them. I love them. For highlight, I'm using my Becca Topaz, and I'm just going to highlight my face. This is a really soft gold, kind of champagne-y highlight. It's so pretty. It's not overwhelming at all, but you can intensify it if you want to, but I'm just putting just a light coat of that on. And then for my inner tear ducts, I'm going to take my Laura Geller and just open up my eyes a little bit more with this. I love this highlight to put in my inner tear ducts. I probably put this in my eyes or in my tear ducts for my everyday like work makeup. I love it. But now I'm just setting my face with my Fix Plus. Let that sit in for a bit. And finally, lips. I'm taking Limbo from ColourPop, and I am just going to put this all over my lips. It is my favorite brown liquid lipstick that I own. It's so pretty. It's like a real true deep brown. I love it so much. But that is the end of my tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Love you.